Okay, so for this question we need to work out the length of the arc, which is around here, and then we need to work out what this and this are. So we're going to do arc first. I'm going to show the examiner that I'm doing the arc first. Now the distance of the arc is the total circumference of the circle times by the fraction of the circle we've got. So you want to work out what the fraction is of the circle and times it by the circumference of the circle. So to work out the fraction of the circle we've got, well, we've got 146 degrees and there are 360 degrees in total in a circle. The formula for the circumference of the total circle is pi d, or 2 pi r. Well, here we've got a radius because it's halfway across the circle. If you imagine the whole circle looks something like that, then the 37 is the radius. So we need to first of all double the radius to get the diameter, and so we're going to do pi times 74, which is twice 37. Okay, so we type that all into our calculator, so I press the fraction button, 146 over 360 times pi times 74. And it gives me in terms of pi. I don't need it in terms of pi, I just need it as a decimal. So 94.2826 blah blah blah. Now that's for the arc length, but we also want to know what this distance here is. Well, we've already got that one. And what this distance here is. Well, they are both radiuses, or radii we call it. So that's also going to be 37 meters. So to work out the perimeter, I'm just going to get that 94.2826 blah blah blah, and I'm going to keep it in my calculator. And I'm going to add 37 and add another lot of 37. So add 37, add 37, and that gives me 168.2826 blah blah blah. Once it's two decimal places, so line goes down here and we've got 168.28. Now just be careful that you add on the extra bits. When it asks you for a perimeter, just make sure you've gone the total distance around the shape. Put a dot and just draw with your finger around the shape to make sure you've got all the distances.